Hello, it's Wednesday, May 30th. My name is Jeff Retz, and you're watching Axiory's broadcast. Let's start with the technical outlook for the euro dollar. Price will probably continue below support S1, and the next objective will be at S2. After reaching second support, we can expect a rebound and retesting of the first support, or it may even retest the daily pivot before a further rise. Of course, a rise above daily pivot will negate previous conclusions, and price will target at R1 resistance. A bearish trend for the euro dollar. As long as the dollar yen holds above daily pivot, target remains at R1 resistance, and a rise above this level will confirm the next rise towards R2 resistance. On the downside, a sustained fall towards and below support S1 will be indicating a downward move, and price will then focus on S1 support. We expect a bullish trend today. Our outlook for the sterling dollar is that it may be rebounding from current support S1 and then focusing on the retest of the daily pivot. But a fall below support will be indicating the next objective at S2 support. Any rise above daily pivot will be indicating that a rise is in favor and a downward move could be completed. A bearish trend is predicted. Finishing up our outlook is the dollar franc. Price will probably continue and rise above R1 resistance towards the next target at R2 resistance, where a further rise may be limited and a correction will probably follow. As long as price holds above daily pivot, we can expect a further rise. Indicators show a bullish trend for the dollar franc today. First news for today concerns figures of Switzerland's KOF economic barometer, which will be published at 8 a.m. GMT. Analysts are expecting a rise 0.46 from 0.40 in previous report. Also, medium impact on the franc can be awaited. Bank of England will next release figures about net lending to individuals in Britain at 9:30 a.m. GMT. In previous survey, lending to individuals rose £1.4 billion, while now it is expected to rise only £1.2 billion, and in addition to a medium impact on the sterling. Last news for today will be released at 3 p.m. GMT. National Association of Realtors is going to report a survey about change in pending home sales. It is expected to stagnate at 0%, and in a previous report, sales rose 4.1%. Moreover, high impact on the dollar can be expected. Concluding the news for today is our overview of the best traders and strategies available for you here at Axiory. Glimpsy strategy for franc yen and mirror trader is holding at first place unchanged from yesterday, while Glimpsy for euro and yen at second place fell 784.1 pips. And PMI Invest Capital increased slightly to 181.6 pips. FX multiplier and multi-trader continued in a monthly gain by 0.18%. Second, India Rose remained at the same level as yesterday, and low risk invest fell slightly by 0.07%. LW Trading recorded a loss of 66% in trade leaders. Second, Joiny Jing is holding its 453% gain, but on the downside, Whitestone Asset also declined by 12% to 423% in total. And on this date, in 1635, Emperor Ferdinand II and Saxon signed Peace of Prague, effectively bringing an end to the Civil War aspect of the 30 Years' War. Thanks for tuning in to Axiory's broadcast. Have a great day trading. We'll see you tomorrow.